It's part 2. Let me show you how to make these. Tewahado crosses are traditionally made using the lost wax process. This method of casting metal is more than 4,500 years old. A sheet of beeswax is shaped into the desired cross pattern. The other 4 bits are attached to the centerpiece. The handle is modeled separately. A mixture of clay is then softened and used to cover the beeswax model, carefully filling in all the little spaces, and leaving just a small hole in the bottom for the wax to exit later. After it dried in the sun, the model is baked, the wax melts, and it's all poured out. A mix of metals then is melted and poured into the clay mold through the same hole. Once it dried, the clay is broken and the metal cross is revealed. The metal is then filed, smoothed, and decorated. When the handle has been attached, the cross is ready. Check out our previous videos if you want to know more about the power of these crosses. And don't forget to follow us and let us know if there's something specific you want to know about our culture. See ya.
Culture is cool.